How to recover deleted emails in Gmail. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can recover deleted emails in Gmail. Well, to recover deleted emails, what you can do is you can proceed to open up Gmail, and once you open up Gmail, you can tap on the hamburger icon at the top left here and you'll be able to see various options. Head into trash and you'll be able to see your recently deleted trash here. Now if it hasn't crossed the 30 days mark, you'll be able to tap and hold on it and select multiple ones and recover it, or you can select one and you can recover it as well. So you can see here, and if you tap on this icon here, it'll be recovered. You can also, so this is how you can easily recover. However, if it has crossed the 30 days mark, unfortunately you won't be able to recover it. What you can do is you can use the Google's message recovery tool if it has been permanently deleted, so you can use that and check if you are able to recover it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.